I have the honor to introduce the pre-recorded statement of the Chairman of the National Accountability Bureau of Pakistan, Justice Retired Javed Iqbal, for the special session of the General Assembly on Corruption. Thank you.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome the convening of this special session of the General Assembly against corruption. This year marks 15 years since the UN Convention against Corruption, UNCAC, entered into force. While we have made some progress during this period, corruption continues to hold back development and deprive people of their rights in far too many places around the world. The recent report of the high-level panel on financial accountability, transparency, and integrity has revealed that due to political and official corruption as well as crime and tax evasion, trillions of dollars flow out of developing countries each year. $7 trillion in stolen assets are parked in the financial haven countries and jurisdictions. The flight of these vast resources from the developing countries is a principal cause of their underdevelopment, poverty, inequality, and political instability. Mr. President, corruption is estimated to cost the world at least $2.6 trillion annually, approximately 5% of the global GDP. It is estimated that $1.26 trillion is lost by developing countries to corruption, bribery, theft, and tax evasion each year. This is approximately 9 times official development assistance funding. In order to reinforce the global fight against corruption, it is vital to strengthen international cooperation and efficiently prevent, detect, investigate, and prosecute corruption, as well as to apply effective, proportionate, and dissuasive penalties and recover criminal assets. Fighting corruption is a fundamental precondition for upholding the rule of law, peace and security, achieving sustainable development, and respect for human rights and fundamental freedoms. It is also an integral part of the international commitment to end poverty, curb illicit financial flows, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity. Mr. President, Pakistan is pleased to note the increasing significance of the United Nations Convention against Corruption in addressing the common challenge of corruption at the global level. Asset recovery is one of the fundamental principles of the UNCAC. It is a matter of high priority for Pakistan that despite explicit articles of the UNCAC, there seems to be an increase in the barriers and challenges in the process of asset recovery and return to the countries of origin. There is a growing concern that lack of political will, unnecessary delays, procedural complexities, bureaucratic hurdles, and legal barriers in the requested